kids also, because ama-finances abalulekile futhi nje kukahle uma uqala usasemncane.
Abangani my viewers namahla, of course this is your host Thobeka Hadebe aka Jamie Girl. Hope nirayisa nikhona khona nigcoke nifuthumele because wow, the weather it's ginger. Anyways, as usual guys, so Pudi, I am going to fetch Mrs. Petrina Mlambo so she can tell us about some activities we did emanjolo. Asitshele ukuthi yena uthathe ngani. Tell us nje ukuthi what is happening. Stay tuned.
Sanibonani guys. Hi. Ngimi Petunia wakamlambo. Bengithanda ukunisherela ukuthi i-weekend yami benjani. Njengoba besimenyiwe ebukhosini bakamvuleni. Oh guys, it was so beautiful. Bekumnanzi, I don't wanna lie. Sihambile ekuseni lokuya. Ngithi labaya. Sinele besihamba ngekhumbi vele nasetekisini bekumnanzi. Oh, it was so nice. Besihleka nje. I'm sure besihlekela nembungane indlulela. But it was nice. Sifikile kahle ngesikhathi. Masifika lena besingakajahi angithi. Plus futhi bekungashisi bekubanza nje. Sifikile savuselana, sabutana ukuthi sihambe njani. Kwaba mnanzi saphinze sahlangana egroundini. Basijoyina bakamvuleni bebukhosi sababona. Sa-exercise nabo, sawoma phanabo, and to my surprise, abadijeli shem abayi ngokuthi bona basebukhosini, abendi ma-aerobics, abazubazubi, bajuluke njengathi. No, they joined, they did whatever that we were doing. Exercises wangithidi, kumnanzi siyabonga buthidi. Nekuphuma kwethu before siphuma sithandazile njengenjwayelo sicela umusa wenkosi ukuthi uhambe nathi babe mashaba wenda lokho nje ukuthi haganani sahagana kodwa phela hayi laba basebukhosini bathe singaba ingeni ngaleyo ndlela singamane sichebule nje ngesandla sidlule sibonge sichebule ngesandla sidlule sibonga. Hayi, even though thina labanye besinabela leyo hug le-warm since bekubanza, kepha nje sendile sachebula sathi high five sandlula. Nasekuhambeni sahamba kukuhle maye kuhle indzawo leyana yihle guys. It's so beautiful. Mawuhamba lapha uvubuka imifudlana, ubone tinkomo, ubuke tindzaba, ubuke ematshela amahle, ubuke ama-alu, ucabange nokuthi ukhelele iwane eli-alu, ufake eplastikini uphinze utibambe, ucabange ukudobha linye litshele elimhlophe uphinze utibambe. Sahamba nasetindzabeni sangena siva sipheleketelwa amahashi, yakubona nje lokhu ukuthi basi-escorta ukuthi singalahleki lapha etindzabeni. Sahamba, inkosi ngiva ngiyibona ukuthi hayi indoda ikhathele kodwa phela lisotsha liyacinisela. You soldier on, you bite the bullet, ucine. Umbone babe ngathi ungambuta ukuthi hawu nkosi yami usasekahle na, awuphinze udlule ngoba phela kufuneka uhloniphe lapha awuphapheli bantu abadala. Sifike saphumula ku-6 kilometers if I'm not mistaken. Safika sathola ukuya ethunjini since besingakadlanga ekuseni. Sanathanatha lesikunathako. Laba bebafuna kugibela emahashi bagibela kwaba mnanzi bativisa. Hayi mina ngiyalisaba. Lihashi hayi akusithi indoda yami ngithandzela amakati hayi mahashi no. So I did not gibela amahashi. Sithe uma siceda kubambisa saphumula saphinda sangena endleleni because bekufuna sihlanganise 17 kilometers. This is when it started to get a little bit hot because bese kunyukela bese kungekho flat bese kunyukela. So kodwa nje still bekumnanzi because besihamba sihleka sijoka gibela inzaba. Hey sisagibela inzaba, you know. I wish I would have taken a selfie nenkosi. I wish, but I missed it. Bengisaba bengihlonipha besiyaliwe ukuthi kufuneka sihloniphe. Sawalka samhlanganisa 17 kilometers. Masihlanganisa 17 kilometers bebasibekele space inyana ngala esikolweni. And bas organizele this lady atosifundisa on how to manage our finances. It took around 45 minutes. We listened, we asked some questions, and we got some advice. It was also good. It was also very educative, and I think it was a take home. It was something that you can use or even advise our kids also, because ama-finances abalulekile futhi nje kukahle uma uqala usasemncane. Sine nje lesesindlule ebumatimeni lofuna sibonise abantu babethu bangaphinzi ema-mistakes thina lesike sawenda. So it was very informative. Siyabonga. Siphekile emabhodweni. No matter tami tingekho right, but I was like, no, I cannot just sit. Let me go and help the ladies. Bekumnanzi nasemabhodweni. Emabhodweni kuhlala kumnanzi, guys. Siyaqoqa, siyahleka, kuyaphekwa, bandila sita ngemlilo. Yeah. Sadla, the food was nice. Because besihleli lapha until late. We continued kuhlala emlilweni. Some of us labanye bebadihlalele nje basabe emakhada bangena eklasini bafihle inhloko nabo baticulela lapha. Sina ngoba sithanda inyama, mina ngivele ngaya emlungwini ngaya kuyoticelela inyama yekudu because I wanted to taste. I tasted some kuduvors, some kudu steak. It was delicious. Thank you, Ben, van der Westhuizen. The place was fire, lekker. Yes, and then later on we had to move to another place where we were going to rest. It was nice and comfortable, you know. It's nice because at the end of the day ube nemandla la warm ugeze, relax and sleep. Silele kamnanzi, it was comfortable. Ekseni savuka futhi. And everyone, I'm sure everyone was looking forward to gearing up in their traditional attire. Sagqoka sababahle, sadli breakfast, and then we had to head back to the royal house, where we were given a royal welcome. VVIPs, low-fed workers. Like sangena sabangena kwabakuhle sahlala salalela bantu baba introduce ababangenisa tinkosi bo chief ma president yabona etindzawo letitsite babathula basathi sabona nabo bathula tabo tinkulumo egqineni vele kwakhuluma inkosi salalela. Nebantwana basigizela lapha nabomake beluthango basigizela bavunulile babahle baqhamuka etindzaweni letahlukahlukene. Bekumnanzi. There was no dull moment. It was beautiful. Nathi besibahle futhi. Futhi ngijabulise na speech senkosi ukuthi acknowledgeile ukuthi the walk, it's not only about go exercise. It's more. It's mind, body, and soul, and also it's about umphakathi. Kubuthana sibonisane sihlangane nokuthi sizame ukugwema into letiningi letingahambi kahle emphakathini njengabo-rape nani nani. Nokuthi futhi siyakhona kusitana uma sihlangene, uma siyimbumbe sisitana kangcono. Futhi kusijabulisile ukuthi naye asho ngomlomo wakhe ukuthi uyayithanda le-Fredricus, uyakuthanda lelo suku endako, and ufuna kusijoyina for the next years yena asaphila asasenkosi, because he loves us so much. He said it, I love you, ukushido ngemlomo wakhe, nathi siyayithanda inkosi. Siyajabulela ukuthi uyafuna kuba nathi. And then after lokho we were invited for a nibble. It was not a nibble guys, it was a food buffet. We ate. Mina vele ngisimangisuku vele ngavele ngacabanga ukuthi ngabe bekuneligcasi la, bengiyovele ngilindlale ngilale, because I was so full. The food was delicious, the drinks and everything, it was so nice. Ngaze ngafisa ukuthi ngabe siphinde siyahlala futhi the whole night sisicoce sihlale emlilweni kube mnanzi, but unfortunately konke kuba nesiphetho. For we had to go back home. We went back home, we had ama-lift, some of us labanye bahambe ngemateksi, labanye bahambe ngetimova tabo, safika safe. Umbonile labanye lapha bebaposta ku-WhatsApp group basho ukuthi hayi ngihambe kahle ngifike kahle guys, because nako kubalulekile ngithi kubika uma sesinihambile ukuthi okay sihambe kahle safika kahle. Yeah, I hope I've covered everything. It was very nice. I can't wait for the next ummemo. Ngathi bangasimema every 2 months. Sitovunula sibe bahle njengoba besibahle. Thank you guys. Thank you my family. Mndeni wami omuhle ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Lo-Fredricus forever. Bye.
#Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lawful Walkers Podcast, and this is Tobeka Hadebe signing out. Asibonge kakhulu lapha kuSis Pechinya for taking us to the Nkonjaneni Royal Palace. Ngisho khona eManjala asitshele kabantu ukuthi bekwendakalani next time nalo bekangakaki utodilungisela ukuthi ayekavakala nje ukuthi bekumnanzi impela. Now this coming Saturday we are doing the anxiety plus depression walk. Whether ukuso lesimo noma awukhokoso buya utowoka nathi, we are supporting the people obabukana nalesimo, and of course sifundzisane ukuthi sigwema kanjani ukuthi sititfole kulesimo lesinje. Now the theme is black and white with a touch of blue, yellow and purple. The walk is officially starting at 6 Gabogweni complex. Ungasali asidibane khona. Bye.